to
Anna and Jim series, written by Wendy
Wendy
Lee,
Lee,
illustrated
by
by
Nora
Nora Penna.
Penna.
The motorbike is blue. It belongs to Dad.
The motorbike is blue. It belongs to Dad.
The bicycle is pink. It belongs to Anna.
The bicycle is pink. It belongs to Anna.
The toy car is red. It belongs to Billy.
The toy car is red. It belongs to
Billy.
Billy.
The skateboard is purple. It belongs to Jim.
The skateboard is purple. It belongs to Jim.
The toy dump truck is green. It belongs to Tim.
Yahoo! The toy dump truck is green. It belongs to Tim.
The umbrella is white and blue. It belongs to Sandy.
The umbrella is white and blue. It belongs to
Sandy.
Sandy. Ooh.
The fish is orange. It belongs to Kitty the cat.
The fish is orange. It belongs to Kitty the cat.